In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change user account picture in Windows 11. So let's get started. You can change your local or Microsoft account picture to personalize Windows 11. It's quick and easy to do, and here is how to do it. First, right click on Start button and from the options, click Settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows key and I from your keyboard. Now from the left panel, click Accounts. Click on Your Info on the right side. If you wish to take a picture using webcam, then click on Open Camera. Else click Browse Files if you wish to use local image. If you take a photo, click on Take a Photo and then crop the image if required. And if you choose a file, find the image on your PC and click on Choose Picture. So that is how you can change user account picture on Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.